not a word. She walked out on me for a fucking accountant. Hold on, I've got to get my game up. Hold on. Shit. Hold on. He's writing at peak IMO was that scene. Oh, sinking it. I've got to practice for the big game. I hear LeBron's coming to the Lakers this year. I don't know what year it is. Shit. Bounces straight back to you though. Hold on. That was David Cage's best writing. Airball. Don't do this every time. Sink the 3. Oh, it's clean. And we praise God. Okay, and again. I gotta get it. I gotta get it right. I gotta get it right. Sink the 3 and watch it swim. Oh, it's beautiful. That's the kind of shot we've been expecting from Mojo these days. How long can I do this for? Is this one of those things I can do perpetually forever? No, it's beautiful and perfect. Will Sean ever talk to me if I'm practicing my layups? Can I do any other shot? Or do I just have to stand and do this shot? Oh. Don't say it, Tim. Don't fucking say it. I don't want to see that message come up in chat. Sinker 3. As if he's starving. Hold on. Shit. Devious front shots. Okay, Fletcher. What would you know about that, huh? When moving saying front shots is what you expect to see. Fuck. Shit. I'm done now. I practice for the big game. I'm ready. Sean, I'm ready to be a good dad. Man, if I missed those threes, I would have beat your ass. But now that I've done it, I'm back in. I'm actually fine. All right, chat. Don't have rain to only playing basketball. Oh, someone's great legs. Hey, good on you. Alright, me and you, son, we're doing homework. Fucking psych. Give me a sec, Sean. I've got to practice my threes. give me a fucking sec. You understand, surely. A man's got to get his ball games in. LeBron's joining the Lakers after all. Please understand. Son, I know you gotta do your homework. This is more important. Airball, shut the fuck up. Oh, that's actually a hard shot though. You wouldn't get it, Tim. Fuck off.
Dad, I'm finished. Can I go watch TV?
Son, I've got to sink these threes. You don't understand. Dad, please. Can I go? What you gonna? Yeah, hold on. Let me come in, son. Let me come in. No, let me come talk to you. No, that's fine. I'm sorry. No, I'm genuine. No, I'm sorry. No, because listen, you understand though. The Lakers don't fucking want you. No, 3-pointers in a row and then never shot. No, real. Hold on. Okay, bet. What do I get if I get 3 3-pointers in a row? I get to give it a shot. Project Sean. LaShawn, it's crazy work. Okay, hold on. Alright, ready? Single swim, single swim. We're gonna sink the 3. It's gonna be wet every time. Bless you. Okay, that's 1. That's fucking 1 on the board. Alright, 1. Count 'em up, chat. Two, that's wet, that's wet. We're on 2. Right, ready boys? 3 and we get a meal home. There's no way we get this wrong. Okay. Fuck. Fuck. Fuck, he doesn't get a meal. I was genuinely trying. I was genuinely... Well, I got bad news for you, son. I've genuinely got bad news for you. No, so, I mean, I kind of, it was a binding contract. That's rough. That really is. Yeah.
Do you want me to get your dinner?
Oh yeah, I'm really hungry.
Okay, I'll go see what I can find. How are things at school? Is
I mean, if I
your
don't
nice?
feed him, I don't have to use my food on
Everything's
him.
fine, Dad.
I'm going to hang right. Sean, I'm going to keep it a stack with you. I'm going to keep it a buck. If you do not talk to me a little bit more about your life, I'm going to fucking hang myself. This part of the game takes so long. And you know what I've got to do. Where the fuck is the basketball? Sink or swim. Andy sinks it. If I get... No way do we lose. Simon, have you seen me hit these 3s? Look at that. Clean 3s. I mean, I'm definitely not making my social score with him very good. You never lose LaShawn, my goat. Whoa. No, it's still... Oh, because I'm just doing nothing. I have so much refuses. Defeat. Tim, if I hit a few more 3s in a row, do I get it? Oh my god, you're all over the fucking place. And yet I still sink it. Cinema. I genuinely, I just got 4 in a row, and I could not do that when feeding Sean was on the line. Sean's... Not now, sweetie. I've got to play some basketball. Oof, airball. You think you're fucking funny, huh? No, that's fine. That's fine. I want to go beat my son because of you. I was watching Andrew Tate right now. You're a dad and used to be sinking 3s every single fucking day for you to be a good child. Insane work. He's gonna be part of the woke left. He's weak. He's a liberal. He's a pussy. Let me just watch the washing machine for a while. Yep, that sure is washing. If your dad can't score from the half court, I don't know what to say. Your dad's a mother. He's a woman. Do I really have to go to the toilet in this game? Let me just turn the light on though. Stupid. I put myself in timeout. Stupid. Why would I even do... I can't even score them. Man.
You have school tomorrow. You have to get some sleep.
Alright, I'm going. Are you coming with me?
Go brush
Killer,
your teeth,
killer.
put on your pajamas.
You and my son makes it.
I'll come up.
Your time was a 7. That's a great one. I'll come up. No, the fuck I won't. Sean. The Lakers need me. You do not fucking understand. Listen. It's fucking sink or swim, and bitch, it's raining. God, it's heavy raining, one might even say. It's drip or drown, Sean, and I've been under the water for so long since Jason died. Since his passing, I haven't sunk a single 3. But watch, oh, it's a fucking airball. It's a fucking airball. I've got to fucking do it, Sean. Watch this. That's the 2. I'll go up and deal with him if I do 3 in a row. Alright, okay. That's the second one in a row. Alright. Please. This one's for the Lakers. This one's for all the marbles. I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna do it. I promise I'm gonna make it out. There's no way I miss this. There's no way airball. Okay, all bits aside, I'm not gonna even try and do a bit here. I want to try and hit it genuinely. He goes up for the court. He's ready. For all the marbles. Heart racing. 1,000 eyes staring at him. This one's for Jason. This one's for fucking Jason. Ready? Ready? Oh my god, the game's faking me out. I've tried like 3 times. God, it's fucking good. God, it's so clean. Sean, I love you, son. I love you. I'm coming home. The Lakers have fucking got a new star player. It's Ethan. From Heavy Rain. I'm in there. God. I didn't even fucking feed my kid. It would have been too expensive.